Hello, my friend. Take care of the work and the work will take care of you. You know, it's more than just a saying. It's a powerful mindset. In just 3 minutes, I'll show you how this principle can transform your life and success. So let's dive right into it. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing all beautiful things with you. So what does this mean? This phrase, take care of work and the work will take care of you. So taking care of work means putting effort, focus, and pride in what you do, big or small. When you care for your work, it rewards you in return. For example, a chef who focuses on perfecting every dish builds a reputation. That reputation brings them customers, opportunities, and success. The work then cared for ultimately takes care of them. It's all about building trust, quality, and momentum. This mindset can work for you too. So why is this mindset so important? It builds trust and credibility. People notice the effort you put into your work. It sets you apart. In a world of shortcuts, genuine effort is rare and valuable. It leads to personal growth. Every time you give your best, you grow in skill and confidence. Let me share a quick story. You know, when I started work as an interior designer, I worked on every small project, whatever came my way. But I gave it my best, even if it was placing a sofa or just hanging a few curtains. It didn't matter. Any work, big or small, I gave it everything I had, and that got people's attention. And when I did a few good interior projects, it led to bigger opportunities. That's the power of taking care of the work. So how do we apply it? Start with 3 tips. Prioritize quality. Yes, that's the first one. Focus on doing things well, not just quickly. Be consistent. Even small daily efforts add up over time. And 3, reflect and improve. Ask yourself, what will I do better next time? Growth comes from learning. So here's a quick challenge. Pick one task this week, whether at work or at home, and do it with extra care. Then share how it felt in the comments. Remember, the work you care for today will reward you tomorrow. Take pride in what you do, and success will follow. So if this has inspired you, do like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.